I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper of the Day. It is Wednesday, August 13th. Check it out, you guys. We are sneaking above that golden ratio. Will it stay there? Friday, I don't know, might up thrust, so we'll watch. But for the day trading, yeah, let's just day trade it. We're going to be bullish today above 645. That's a pretty big level. Yeah, so the first time there should be some sellers there. Yeah, we're kind of in a tough area. I'll explain when I get to the E-minis. All right, but yeah, so just be careful. Could be a good retrace today. So bear below 643. Watch that for a quick move, maybe down to the 4 EMA or person's pivot. All right, here's that daily chart. Yeah, we might do a retrace. We'll see. Just be prepared. All right, the IWM bullish above 229 today, bear below 227. Same thing. And also the Qs, same kind of trade, bullish above 583 or bear below 580 for a retrace to person's pivot or for EMA. All right, let's go to the E-minis. So we talk about the last eighth. If you read Reminiscences of a Stock Operator by Edwin Lefebvre. Yeah, Jesse Livermore talks about the last eighth being the hardest eighth to catch. Well, as far as the E-minis, when we talk about the last eighth, it's $12.50 before 6,500. That's a very big price level. So a lot of times they kind of fake us out going up to maybe 64.87, then pulling back, and then going up and tagging that 6,500. So not sure if they're going to do that, but it is a popular pattern. Just wanted you to be aware of that. So bullish above 64.85, but notice I put that 64.8750 as a first target. We'll see. Bear below 64.75. All right, let's go to the NASDAQ. Futures bullish above 24,025, bear below 23,900. Then we got oil futures today, which are making lower lows here. We tagged that 62.50 level. Well, it came really close. We're going to be bearish below that, bullish above 63. Then we've got gold futures, which look really interesting today. Is it forming a Morning Star bottoming candle bottom here? You know, we up thrusted here. That's a bearish top, but this is a bullish bottom if it can hold on here. We really need to break above that 8 EMA, all right, for confirmation there. But bullish above 34.20 and bear below 33.90. Let's go to Bitcoin futures, which are, pushing up a little bit here. Bullish above 121,500, bear below 120,000. Let's go to some individual stocks. We got IBIT. Bullish above 69, bear below $67.40. We got BBAI, which was a fantastic whisper yesterday. Nice retracement trade. What's it going to do? Is it going to keep going to the 4 EMA, or is, it going to back down again? Bear below 550, bullish above 650. I really didn't like the bullish above level, to be honest. A lot of pivots there. China's super hot. I picked BABA. It's usually a good day trading stock. Bullish above 127.50 for the gap and go higher. Bear below 125 for the pop and drop. AMD. Beautiful. This is a very popular pattern. I know I talk about it a lot, but I like to point it out. We break out of the upper trend channel, and then we retest the breakout point, and then we bump it up again. In fact, Tesla just did that as well. But AMD bullish above 177.50. Wow, this thing just took off. All right, who caught this pre-market? Anybody trade this? You can trade stocks pre-market. I know most of you trade options. All right, the next level is going to be above this R2, 179.53. Yeah, let's go over to those pivots while I got you here. So the first time it hits there, yeah, I mean, this was the sweet trade. And here was a big pocket. Yeah, the second time we test R2, that's when I would go in. 180s there. Yeah, unfortunately, some of these really good trades happen pre-market. And I always hope somebody jumped in, which is why I post them in the room as soon as I map them out. But, okay, let's be bearish below 175.50. Let's go to Joby. That is one of our faves in the Java pit. Bullish above 1860. Bear below 1750. Yeah, it came down to this trend line and bounced up. We'll see if it'll keep going. And then we got SoFi, bullish above 24.55. I had to go above that pivot, which is at 51 cents, giving it a little bit of room. Bear below 23.75. There you have it. Those are your whispers for Wednesday, August 13th. Until next time, come and join us. Check out our interactive trading room. Come trade with us. Learn while you earn. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.